Hey there, CJ Math students. Welcome to Homework 8.0 Aspire Prep. I'm going to help you out with the front side. You're going to be responsible for the back side, which is essentially the same as the front side. So pay attention and learn what we need to do on the front side. You'll be good to go on the back side. So we have a rate problem for the first one. It says Haley earned $90 for working 12 hours. How much would she earn for working 20 hours? Your point of entry, which you're going to write down, is we're working with rates and ratios, right? So here we're comparing dollars over time, so dollars over hour. Our first setup, we got 90 over 12, so $90 over 12 hours is equal to how much would she work for 20 hours, right? So that goes on the bottom because it's hours, it's time, right? When you cross multiply, you get 12x is equal to 1800. Divide both sides by 12. And you get your answer of x is equal to 150. So in 20 hours, she would earn $150 per hour. Okay. Number sense here, it says the low point of the Tonga Trench in the Pacific Ocean is a negative 10,630 meters. The low point of the Mariana Trench, also in the Pacific Ocean, is 890 meters lower. So it's deeper, right? 890 meters lower. What is the depth of the Mariana Trench? So point of entry here is we're going to be adding integers, right? So we got the Tonga Trench, which was negative 10,630, and then plus the Mariana Trench is going to be plus a negative 890, right? Because it's that much further down. Get you negative 11,520 meters as your answer. Right. Number 3, it says equations, expressions. The perimeter, underline perimeter, of the triangle below is 6a plus 2b minus 5. Write an expression to represent the length of units of the missing side of the triangle. So notice they give you two sides, but they forget the missing side. You know that perimeter is all of them will add up to equal that expression. So we got to combine some like terms here. So let's start off by saying, all right, 2a plus a negative 3 plus a plus, sorry, this is negative 3b, my fault, plus a negative 3 plus some other expression is equal to our answer, right? 6a plus 2b plus negative 5, right? Because if we add all this up, we should get our perimeter, which was that expression right there. All right, so let's combine like terms. So we got 2a and we got a, so we have 3a plus no b's there, so negative 3b plus negative 3 plus something is equal to 6a plus 2b plus negative 5. So ask yourself, 3a plus something has to equal 6a. Well, 3a plus 3a equals 6a. So that's going to be, this question mark is what we're solving for right now. It's going to be 3a, right? Plus negative 3b plus what gives you a negative 2b. So negative 3b plus 5b would equal negative 2b, right? So the 5b is our other missing side. And then a negative 3 plus what equals 5? A negative 3 plus a negative 2 equals a negative 5, right? So plus a negative 2. So your answer there is 3a plus 5b plus a negative 2, right? We got that from this guy right here, this guy right here, and that guy right there, right? Because we were just saying, you know, 3a plus what gives you 6a? 3a. Negative 3b plus what gives you 2b? 5b. Negative 3 plus what gives you negative 5? Negative 2. Right? For the next one, it says a fast food restaurant offers delivery service anywhere within a 6-mile radius. What area does the restaurant delivery service cover? Round your answer to your square mile. Point of entry here is the area formula for a circle. So we'll draw a circle. We'll say it's got a radius of 6, and we'll just go to work. Area formula is obviously a equals pi r squared. So area is equal to 3.14. The radius was 6 squared. Area is equal to 3.14 times 36. And area is equal to 113.04 miles squared. But it said round to the nearest square mile, so that's just going to be 113 miles squared. All right, last one. It says you flip a coin and roll a number cubed. What is the probability that you flip tails and roll a number less than 5? So probability, it's your point of entry. It's all about your desired over your total. If you got a coin, you know it's got two sides. If you've got a cube or a die, you could say, it's got 8 sides. And so for your coin, you've got 1 tail. So your probability of flipping a tail is going to be 1 out of 2. And for your cube, you've got 4 numbers less than, 5, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 4 out of 8. And so you're just going to multiply those two probabilities. 1/2 times 4 out of 8 gets you 4/16, and that simplifies to 1/4. Or if you want to put it as a percent, 25% probability of flipping a tail and getting a number less than 3. Right? Backside's the same. Show all work like we did on the front side. Good luck.